to jump on early if you want to catch me tomorrow, Rashid. I'll actually post the link before. I'll create a community post so that you guys can see what time I'll be going live. Come on, dishwasher. I ain't got time for your nonsense today. Babe, almost done. Just put in these ones so that when we're done, we're like really done.
Where's the food? You finished at the end of it?
I did not. I didn't do anything. I took the phone up though to show them. I saw 11 votes or something. I saw some votes just now, so it shouldn't be done.
Okay, 15 votes.
Oh.
So fried is at 20, steamed and brown stew is at 13, and I've never had snapper is at 53.
I've never had snapper, still leading, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And I bet these people are not on anymore because I was like, tell me where are you from if you've never had snapper. But it just came on, commented, and then he just left. That's just sad. Sad. But it is what it is. After all, it's a Tuesday night. People are probably exhausted from work because you gotta make up from Monday to Tuesday. It's just a whole lot. But I'm sure she worked and she's on, so.
So tomorrow, you go live tomorrow, prayer line and doing your hair.
Yeah.
Cause
Mel said I go live with Nicole too because she wanted to go
yeah,
live
so
with me.
do that and can engage because
Yeah.
both of you can talk.
Mm-hmm.
So that will be good.
So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. We can actually show them now one last time and just be done. Because we're done quickly.
So you want to take it done?
Yeah, you can. Finish it. And it's true. I don't want to keep them any longer because it's already late.
But I know late night people are gonna come on.
Late night people will be coming on in a little bit. Yes, guys. So that's the finished product. You can actually. It's all done. All done. All done. See? Not sticking. It doesn't need to stick. And it looks yummy. And it's definitely yummy because it's well seasoned. Yeah. So, let me just wrap up here. I'm going to be turning this off because it's done. I don't want the juice to be dried out, so I turn it off.
Move it off of the fire.
It should be cool. So, hi Eagles, bye Eagles. I'm tapping out right now, so thanks for joining. And tomorrow we're going to be going live with another person. We'll have a guest speaker. Well, what do you call it? I'll figure out the term, but we'll be going live together, co-hosting basically. Yeah, so that's what we're doing tomorrow. I'm going to do my hair on live, so I'm gonna have it cornrowed. My husband is gonna help me to put in the crochet. As a matter of fact, he's gonna be doing it all, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. Already cooked, so we don't have cooking to worry about tomorrow. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. So feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on